Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a one bedroom, one bath manufactured house at lot H-10 in Edison Mobile Estates. Edison Mobile Estates is a land lease community based in Edison, New Jersey. So here we're starting at the outside of the house. You can see that the front lawn is stone, so it's really easy maintenance. You just have to weed. Here we have a flyer right outside. It's our website right there, myhomeinedison.com. We'll go around the back and you can see we have outside water and electric. There's an electric outlet, and then there's another one on the front. Around the corner, you can see this house comes with central air conditioning. This is the data plate. It tells you all the information about the house. Here's the stone lawn. That's the water right there. And these are two custom steps. Right there's the other outlet. Now we'll take a look inside. But before that, we'll take a look at the neighborhood here. Let's see, the road's pretty nice. Actually, when this park originally started, it was all dirt roads, so we did actually do some improvements along the years, and now we have paved roads. So here is the living room. This house is staged a little bit, so we've got some decorations around to show you what it might look like if you decorate similar to this. Here is the kitchen. And here you can see, kind of get a grasp of how large the living room is here. Right here we actually have a coat closet. So it's kind of perfect place. You walk in, close the door, put your coat right there. Now we'll take a look at the kitchen. So we've got a little table right there, but you could very easily put a dining room table, a much larger one there. You can see that the window here brings in a lot of light with it being directly on the street. And along with that, I think the walls also being white do brighten up this house with the reflection. You can see here this really nice sink. It comes with all these little parts on top, so it's a drying rack, another one, and I believe that is a cutting board in the middle. And these are all Whirlpool appliances. And the shades here, they're automatic, so you just pull them down, they come down, and push them back up, and they'll retract automatically. Here you can really see that light coming in. is the fridge right here. You can see the backsplash. Here we have the cabinets. You'll notice this is a slow closing cabinet door. The cabinets are also adjustable, the dividers in there. And you can also see on the other side, here is the counter with that black splash. It's kind of like a robin egg blue. Now we'll take a look at the rest of the house. So here is the restroom, which does also have the access for the washer and dryer to be placed right here. We've got cabinetry right above. Here is some extra stuff. And you have more cabinets right across. So you could very easily put your linens in there or towels. And right here we have the bathroom. There's 2 seats in this bathroom. It's all one piece. You've got double bypass doors. Nice little window in here. Toilets right there. I think with all these decorations, the bathroom's really spruced up and looks really nice. And now we'll go take a look at the bedroom. This is also the entrance to the second front door. And right here is the furnace. This is responsible for the central air conditioning, as well as the forced hot air. This house is also Energy Star certified, as there's double thermal pane windows, which does really well at keeping the cold air in during the summer and the hot air in during winter, along with the appliances being energy efficient, which adds to that Energy Star certification. Here we've got a little bit of a couch staged, just to kind of give you a feel of what a bed might look there. Right behind me is the water heater. And here's the closet. Right in the corner there, you can see the whole house shutoff valve and 2 extra screens that we provide you with. If you'd like to learn more about this house or any other house that we have, please go to www.myhomeinedison.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to potentially owning one of these houses. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Holmes. Dolan Holmes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.